two giants in healthcare, but when it comes down to real value, which one truly delivers? Humana or Molina? On one side, Humana, known for its broad network and wellness extras. On the other, Molina Healthcare, focused on affordable, community-driven plans. Forget the sales pitches, let's dig into what really matters for you. We'll break it down category by category, awarding points along the way so you'll know exactly who wins in each area. And the final outcome might just surprise you. So here's the plan. We're gonna look at price and value, coverage area, benefits and extras, customer service, and of course, digital tools. Kind of like a roadmap to figuring out which insurer actually fits your life. First up, price and value. So Humana's got a lot of plans, tons of variety, and you get those wellness perks, which is honestly pretty neat if you want more than just the basics. But heads up, if you want something fancy, premiums can climb a bit. Now Molina sits on the other end. They're kinda the king of super affordable Medicaid and marketplace coverage. Copays, really competitive. But if you're looking for those more premium options, not so much. So for your wallet, Molina just edges out Humana here. Now, coverage area, Humana is a heavy hitter. They cover all 50 states, which, is rare. So if you travel or move a lot, that's gold. The only weird bit, rural spots sometimes get stuck with more limited providers. Molina, though, is more of a local hero. It dominates in some western states and Medicaid areas, but honestly, you might not even find them if you're not in those hot spots. So if you want a network anywhere, Humana's your pick. Moving on to benefits and extras. Humana throws in the silver sneakers gym thing, tons of telehealth, preventive stuff, honestly, super useful, but you gotta check because not every plan is packed with extras like dental or vision. Molina's strong for Medicaid, like they cover a lot, but outside those programs it kinda drops off in wellness perks. Telehealth is solid though, so when you tally it up, kind of a toss-up between them here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Medicaid covers over 85 million Americans through managed care networks? That's a massive part of healthcare that most people don't even think about. Okay, customer service. Humana scores pretty high with seniors and Medicare members. They have this huge support crew, which you'd think means quick help anytime. But sometimes, if you're in a smaller group, they can feel, well, a little like you're just a number. Molina goes way harder on the community vibe. They love assigning a case manager, being personal, especially for Medicaid support. But ratings for their marketplace plans don't always shine the brightest. Still, with a bigger support team and higher satisfaction overall, Humana takes this round. Let's talk digital tools. Humana's app is actually pretty loaded. A nurse hotline, easy claims, the works. Only thing is, if you're new, that online portal can be a bit much to find your way around. Molina. Way simpler, and they totally get points for having resources in Spanish and English. Just not as many bells and whistles, so if you're into more techie extras, Humana's got this one. So, stacking it all together, you can see right away, Humana pulls ahead in national reach, extras for seniors and digital tools. But Molina, it's the low-cost champ for Medicaid, and it really shines serving certain communities. Side by side, it's a pretty close race in some spots, but Humana just edges out for most people. Here's my take: if you want big coverage plus some wellness kicks and you maybe travel or want that silver sneakers perk, Humana is probably your jam, especially if you're a senior. But if you qualify for Medicaid and you care more about local, friendly support, Molina's gonna make you feel right at home. Did this help you out? I hope so. Go ahead, compare for yourself and make the healthiest choice for you.